Here I have POCO X4 GT, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the more button, select slow motion, and now let's record something in slow-mo. I don't know, I'm gonna roll something. I'm gonna roll this toilet paper. Like, you think it looks silly, but in slow-mo it will look so damn cool. So let me record it and then I'll show you what I got. So let's get it. Here I have my slow motion video. Just check it out. Whoa, this paper is so damn cool. Look how it rolls. Just like in my favorite action movies. So yeah, that's how you can easily record slow motion videos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.